My birds, yes, you're pretty potato, Laura. I know, yes, you're pretty good. My birds get regular vet care. They are seen at our local veterinary college at least once a month. Not everybody goes every month. However, at least one bird goes every month. I am extremely careful about making sure my birds are well taken care of and have good, healthy lives and a good, healthy environment. I would not disallow my birds from being taken care of by professionals. If I see something wrong, I will take them in on emergency visits. Please don't ever think that I do not get care, the proper care, from avian vets, ever.